Welcome students in today's class. Today we have to see second part of advanced features of MS Excel. Lesson number 4. In previous class we learned how to sort a data in Excel. Sorting of data from A to Z and Z to A. Similarly, filtering of data. Simply apply the filter to the data. Why we apply the filter? If we want to work with selective range of cells, then we will apply the filter. It's a simple filter. Now we have to see about advanced filter. Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using some specific criteria. किसी पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन को देकर अगर हम सिलेक्टेड और रिक्वायर्ड डेटा लेना चाहते हैं then that time we will apply the advanced filter. Particular criteria means we will apply some conditions जैसे मार्क्स 35 के अबव और 50 के नीचे. मैथ्स में जिस बच्चे को 35 के अबव और 50 के नीचे मार्क्स है उस बच्चे का रिजल्ट शो वी हैव टू सी. देन दैट टाइम इन सच अ कंडीशन अगर एक आधे बच्चे का एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में एक रेंज तक हमें मार्क्स देखने हैं then we will use the advanced filter. To apply the advanced filter we need to apply some specific conditions. So let's start it. To apply the advanced filter first we have to prepare a table like this. अब ये एक छोटा सा टेबल मैंने यहाँ रेडी करके रखा है. इसमें नेम कॉलम है. In this name column, I insert few names of students and their marks of 3 subjects, Maths, Science and English. Now, I have to apply the advanced filter. To apply, before applying the advanced filter, here we have to mention a criteria range here. How many marks, which subject marks I want to see? I will write here Maths. Science and English. I want to see the marks of Math, Science and English with particular condition like marks are greater than or equal to 50. 50 के above अगर मैथ्स में मार्क्स है तो, और यहाँ साइंस में ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 70. 70 के अबव होने चाहिए, और इंग्लिश में greater than or equal to 30. I am giving some conditions. Okay. Now with this condition I will apply the filter. Those student got these marks of this condition, we will see the name of that particular student with the help of advanced filter. So to apply the filter we have to just click on data tab. In data tab, first select the table, then apply. Click on the data tab. In data tab, here you can see sort and filter group. In this group, you have to click on advanced filter. See, once you click on advanced filter, advanced filter dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you can see two fields, list of range and criteria range. What is the use of list of range? What is mean of this? The range of cells that you want to filter. It is a list of range. Okay. The list range should include headers at the top of each column. ठीक है. अब इसमें हमने एक हेडर की सेल मेंशन की है, सी. In list of range, we will select this. Here you can see address of this selected cell. See. Here in address, I am in sheet 3, that's why it's showing sheet 3 B1. I have to select this table, main table, okay, in list range. List range में हम जो अपना main table है उसे select करेंगे A5 to B8. See here address of A5, A colon 5th row, A5 to D8, D column or 8th row. It's showing the address. Now, next is a criteria range. Those we want a particular condition in that range, a range of cells in which the filtering criteria are specified. We have to select now. In list range, we have to enter the range which is to be filtered, and in criteria range, we have to enter the criteria range. Click on OK. See, with required criteria, Neha got the marks. Okay, you can see the result of Neha, marks of Neha. In this way, you can apply the advanced filter. So students, now we will see goal seek. How to apply the goal seek. अब goal seek feature क्या है? Goal seek is a feature for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. अब एक हमने कोई टेबल बनाया है. अब इस टेबल में हमें परसेंट एडजस्ट करने हैं बच्चे के, किसी बच्चे के अगर परसेंट एडजस्ट करने हैं तो पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में कितने मार्क्स आने चाहिए सो दैट स्टूडेंट विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड परसेंट. तो वो मार्क्स एडजस्ट करने के लिए हम गोल सीक फीचर यूज करेंगे. To understand this concept, consider the given table. I prepare this table of students marks. Okay, it's a students mark table. In this students marks table, you can see here I mention few subject: Hindi, English, Maths, Computer and Science. In this science field, in this science row, you can see no marks are mentioned, but we have to want percentage of these students up to 75. In this table, a student needs at least 75 marks to get distinction in exam. अब उसे एग्जाम में डिस्टिंक्शन लाने के लिए 75 मार्क्स एडजस्ट करने हैं. So we need to find how many marks in science are required to get the distinction in exams. एग्जाम में डिस्टिंक्शन पाने के लिए इस साइंस में उसने कितने मार्क्स गेन करने चाहिए. We have to calculate now with the help of goal seek feature. We can easily achieve these marks. To use goal seek, we have to first prepare this table, like then click on data tab. In data tab, you can see what if analysis. these data tools. In this data tools group, you can see what if analysis. You have to just click on the drop down arrow of this what if analysis. Then this sub menu will appear or drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu, you have to click on goal seek option. जैसे ही हम गोल सीक ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हैं, एक गोल सीक विंडो विल अपीयर हियर. गोल सीक मेन्यू बॉक्स विल अपीयर हियर. इन दिस बॉक्स, 3 fields are given, that is set sale, to value and by changing sale. You can see these 3 fields. This goal seek dialog box for set sale, this field contains all sale addresses on which you want to apply goal seek. For example, sale F8 in a set sale. अब मुझे सेल 8 में F8 में गोल सीक फीचर अप्लाई करना है. यहाँ परसेंटेज हमें 75 तक कैलकुलेट होनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल अप्लाई द गोल सीक. दैट सो I will select this F8 sale in set sale. Next is to value. I will just click on this value sale. It consists the new value as a result. For example, enter 75 in this box. कितने परसेंट हमें एडजस्ट करने हैं? वैल्यू विथ 75. So we will write here 75. And next is by changing sale. This is the sale where goal seek will provide the result. अब यहाँ हमें result देखना है. Then we will select this sale. कौन से सेल में हमें साइंस सब्जेक्ट में मार्क्स एडजस्ट करने हैं. So we will select this sale. So it's showing F7 address. Okay, F7. And just click on OK button. Before applying this goal seek, we need to apply the average function. So we will first apply the average function here. In percentage sale, you can see first apply equal to sign and select from home tab. You can see here editing group. Here this sigma sign tells us sum. Here different functions are given. Mathematical calculation functions are shown in this group. In this, we have to select the average function. We have to first apply average. Select this average function. This range is automatically get selected. Range of sales, Hindi, English, Maths, Computer and Science is automatically get selected. Just press the enter key. See, percentage are with given marks, this student got 70.5%. But for passing, we need 75 marks in science. Then how we can adjust the marks to earn 75%? To adjust these marks, we need to apply the goal seek feature. To open the goal seek, we just click on data tab. In data tab, here what if analysis, we will click on drop down arrow. In this drop down arrow, you have to select goal seek option. In this goal seek, set sale menu. In set sale field, we will select this F8 field. Okay, यहाँ हमें परसेंटेज एडजस्ट करने हैं. तो हमने पहले सेट सेल में उस फील्ड को सिलेक्ट किया. अब परसेंट कितने से एडजस्ट करने हैं? 75 से. So we will give the value with 75. In this value we will apply by changing cell option. In this changing cell we will select the F7 cell, that is science. Okay. Now click on OK option. You can see these marks. Close the, click on OK button. Now you can see this student need 93 marks in science subject to earn 75%. Okay, 75% बनाने के लिए साइंस में 93 मार्क्स आना जरूरी है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ गोल सीक फीचर वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई, we can easily calculate these marks in this way. Now we have to see how to print a worksheet. To print this worksheet, अब हमने ये एक कंप्लीट एक स्टूडेंट का रिजल्ट बना लिया, तो इसे हमें अगर प्रिंट कराना है तो कैसे करेंगे? जस्ट फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन फाइल, फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट द टेबल जिसका हमें प्रिंट लेना है. टेबल को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, क्लिक ऑन फाइल मेन्यू. इन फाइल मेन्यू यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट ऑप्शन. जैसे ही प्रिंट पे क्लिक करते हैं हमारा सिलेक्टेड मेन्यू यहाँ दिख रहा है प्रिंट प्रीव्यू में. ये प्रीव्यू है, प्रीव्यू का पेज है प्रिंट का. यहाँ you can see this table and here we have to in setting option, setting group, print active sheet. Click on drop down arrow and select the desired options and click print option. Select the desired option. I have to print with active sheets. Okay, that's why I will keep the same option as it is and I will click on print button. Just click on print button. You can get the print of your document. So students, in this way we completed our practical of Excel. Today we learned goal seek feature, advanced filter option in Excel and how to take the print of worksheet. Here we will stop our practical and also we completed our lesson number 4. In next class we will meet with new topic, with new lesson. Thank you.